Hey guys, Aaron with DIY Home Repair. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to change out a Moen 122 posi-temp shower cartridge. Alright, so before we even start taking this apart, let's go down and shut off our water. Alright, so as you can see, I got a lot of Christmas decorations around mine, but here's my water valve. I'm just going to shut this off. Now, because there's always a little water in the line, go ahead and bleed the line. And I like to do it at the closest point to the shower. Alright, so first we're just going to remove our set screw here. Or if you get a screw up here too, that works. Now this thing, now you want to make sure this is in tight right there. And you're just going to pull this pin there. Now you may need some pliers to pull that out if it's been in there for a while. Could be pretty stuck. Might be a little water. Still some pressure. Pulls it right out. And we're going to take our new cartridge, and Moen's got some lubricant here. We're just going to apply it to here and here. Now I'm going to do this away from camera. And we'll just put this back in. With the HC pointing up, and just that. Make sure that's pulled out. Yeah. I'll take this thing. Back down in there, like that. Then we'll just start reassembling this. Push that on there. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one, and we'll catch you on the next one.